What's up YouTube? You're watching Shoe DIY, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your dunks. If you find the video helpful, subscribe. So getting straight into it, we're going to take our laces and we're going to be putting them down through the first 2 holes. I'm going to start with the outside hole first, running my laces over, making sure they're nice and flat. And to make sure my laces are the same size, I'm going to bring the ends together, pull up through the shoe, and you'll find they're the same length. So taking the outside lace, we're going to come across the shoe and go down through the inside second hole. If you keep your finger to make the loop, you can ensure that you keep that nice loose look. So we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside second hole. Keeping that lace in our hand, we're going to come across the shoe to the inside third hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. Keeping that lace in our hand, we're going to come across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to come across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. Then this time when we come across the shoe, we're going to make sure that the lace passes through the hole in the tongue. So slide it through the hole, bring it all the way through, and then we're going to take the lace across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to come across the shoe, passing through the hole in the tongue. We're going to place the lace on the lace that's already there, keeping it nice and flat, and then we're going to take it across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Then we're going to keep the lace in our hand, bring it across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. Then we're going to take the inside lace, we're going to bring it across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. And then at this stage, when we take the outside lace across the shoe, rather than going down through the hole, we're going to go up through the inside last hole. And then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe and we're going to come up through the outside last hole. Just make sure that you've got the lace the same on either side, and then just check that all your loops are the same as you run up through the shoe. So that is how you loosely lace your dunks. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet.